Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best couch repair kit is probably one of the most essential items for any homeowner or renter looking to maintain the pristine condition of their furniture, especially when dealing with the inevitable wear and tear that comes with daily use, from accidental rips and tears to stubborn stains that can mar the appearance of your beloved sofa or armchair, making it a crucial tool for extending the lifespan and preserving the aesthetic appeal of your upholstery. Number 5. PLANTIONal Upholstery Repair Sewing Kit, 47 PC. This is a comprehensive sewing kit designed for heavy-duty tasks. It includes a wide variety of needles, threads, and essential tools for any sewing project. It features strong and sharp needles in various sizes and shapes, perfect for handling tough materials like leather. These are designed to get the job done efficiently. This is a highly practical tool for both professionals and beginners. It meets all your basic needs for leather craft and repairs. The threads are made of high-quality material for durability, and the awl has a comfortable wooden handle. It makes a thoughtful gift for craft enthusiasts. This set is perfect for a variety of applications, from car seats and sofas to tents and mattresses. It helps you complete your favorite crafts easily and efficiently. With 47 pieces, this kit provides everything you need for upholstery repair and various craft DIY projects. It's a complete solution for all your sewing needs. What we like. This kit is incredibly comprehensive, offering a vast array of needles and threads for any project. If you're someone who tackles a wide range of repairs from car seats to tents and enjoys having every tool at your disposal, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want a complete solution for all their upholstery and leather crafting needs. What people say. The adhesive is strong and holds the fabric securely. The kit comes with multiple colors to match different couch fabrics. Easy to apply and blends in well with the original material. Number 4. BAGERLA Heavy Duty Upholstery Repair Sewing Kit. Introducing the BAGERLA Heavy Duty Upholstery Repair Sewing Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle all your repair and crafting needs with ease. With a wide array of tools including various needles, awls, and seam rippers, this kit offers rich combinations. It's equipped to meet all your different repair and sewing demands. Our kit features needles of various sizes and shapes, including strong and sharp-pointed and blunt options. They are perfect for working with tough materials like leather. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, you'll find this repair kit incredibly convenient. It's especially suitable for DIY hand sewing enthusiasts. This extensive repair kit is perfect for a wide range of applications. You can use it to mend car seats, sofas, tents, carpets, and even DIY craft projects. Fully equipped to meet the needs of both beginners and skilled craftspeople, this sewing kit is an indispensable assistant. It empowers you to bring your creative visions to life. What we like. With a generous selection of tools and needles, this kit is designed for convenience and ease of use. If you're a beginner or a DIY hand sewing lover looking for a user-friendly option that covers most repair scenarios like sofas and tents, this is a great starting point. It simplifies the process, making repairs less daunting. What people say. The fabric glue is strong and durable, holding the torn couch fabric together securely. The kit comes with a variety of colors to match different couch shades, making the repair less noticeable. Easy to apply and dries quickly, allowing for minimal downtime before using the couch again. Number 3. Coarse Linen Repair Patches. Introducing our self-adhesive linen repair patches. These extra-large, multicolor patches are designed for quick and easy fixes on your linen furniture and clothing. Measuring 8 by 11 inches, these patches can be easily cut to size, ensuring a perfect fit for any repair need. They are ideal for mending linen sofas and much more. Crafted from premium, eco-friendly polyester, these patches offer a durable, non-pilling, and fade-resistant solution. The strong adhesive ensures a secure fit in seconds, with optimal bonding after 24 hours. Beyond linen, these versatile patches adhere seamlessly to nylon, cotton, and leather. Refresh your favorite items and give them a new lease on life. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime warranty and money-back guarantee for a completely risk-free purchase. What we like. These patches offer a simple, peel-and-stick solution for quick fabric fixes, especially for linen materials. If you have a linen sofa or clothing that needs a fast, no-fuss repair and you prefer a durable, non-fading fabric, these are an excellent option. They are perfect for those who need an immediate, effective, and easy-to-apply solution. What people say. This couch repair kit fabric is a lifesaver. It perfectly matched the color and texture of my old couch, making the repair virtually invisible. The adhesive on this fabric is incredibly strong. I applied it to a torn armrest, and it has held up perfectly, even with daily use. I was impressed by how easy it was to cut and shape this fabric. It conformed to the curves of my furniture without any bunching or peeling. Number 2. Azobur Rectangular Velvet Repair Patch. Introducing a revolutionary repair solution designed to bring your beloved items back to life. This versatile patch is perfect for tackling everyday wear and tear. Each roll measures 4 by 30 inches, providing ample material for various repair projects. Its large size offers flexibility and endless creative possibilities for mending. Experience the difference with our upgraded, scratch-resistant material. It features a super sticky adhesive backing that leaves no residue, ensuring a clean and easy repair process. Crafted from premium, eco-friendly velvet fabric, this patch offers a silky smooth texture. It blends seamlessly with existing materials, restoring the luxurious appearance of your items. Perfect for repairing sofas, car seats, handbags, luggage, and leather jackets. It's your go-to solution for fixing worn or damaged upholstery and fabrics. We are committed to providing high-quality products and excellent service. Please reach out with any questions or feedback. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This option provides a luxurious velvet finish that blends seamlessly with furniture and apparel. If you're looking to repair velvet items like sofas, car seats, or jackets and want a patch that not only fixes but also enhances the look with a silky, supple texture, this is the one to choose. It's ideal for restoring the elegance of your velvet belongings. What people say. The fabric glue is strong and durable, holding the torn couch fabric together effectively. The kit comes with a variety of colors to match different couch shades, making the repair almost invisible. Easy to apply and dries clear, leaving a smooth finish on the repaired area. Number 1. BAGERLA Heavy Duty Sewing Kit. Introducing the BAGERLA Heavy Duty Sewing Kit, your comprehensive solution for all your sewing needs. This kit is packed with everything you require to tackle any project. Inside, you'll find a wide array of tools including 25 hand sewing needles of various types, 12 spools of durable upholstery thread, a ruler, scissors, thimble, awls, and seam rippers. It includes 25 sewing needles designed for diverse applications, from sack and carpet needles to curved upholstery and leather stitching needles. You'll also receive 12 vibrant, strong, and smooth sewing threads, each 50 meters long, ensuring they won't easily break during use. The kit features 3 distinct awls for punching, enlarging, and hooking threads, providing a complete set for precise leatherwork and repairs. Everything is neatly organized in a compact storage bag, making it easy to carry and access your tools, perfect for both beginners and professionals. What we like. This kit stands out with its organized storage bag, making it incredibly portable and clutter-free. If you're a beginner or professional who values organization and needs a reliable set for various repairs on car seats, shoes, or backpacks, this is a fantastic choice. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go repairs or for keeping your tools tidy. What people say. The adhesive is strong and holds the fabric securely. The kit includes a variety of colors to match different couch fabrics. Easy to apply and blends well with the existing material. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.